Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Silvercrest electric spray mop, cordless, practical and versatile. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have 4 cleaning cloths, very soft, the charger with an output 5 volt 2 amps, the cable, the length it is 1.5 meters, type A to type C, here it is the handle, on off, and the spray button, the tube. So I need to connect this cable here. This is the other end. Nice. And then connecting this tube. Perfect. That was all. Very easy. The battery indicator here. It locks at this position. Unlock. Adjustable. Left and right, up and down. The spray outlet, we have the LED guiding lights, I like it. One wheel here, 2 rotatable huge wheels for the cloths, and it is very easy to install, alignment, that was all. And easy to remove. You can wash it, clean it. I can't wait to use it, see how it works. And the charging port. It feels very robust unit. Here it is the inlet for the water tank. The capacity it is 450 ml. Running time it is about 35 minutes with fully charged battery. Li-ion battery 7.4 volts, 2200 mAh. And the fabric it is washable at maximum 60 degrees Celsius. Fill up with water, max capacity, and it is very easy to install, just press and that was all. Flexible cleaning in corners and under furniture. It is suitable for various types of flooring such as laminate, tiles, wood or vinyl flooring. So let's plug it in, I will fully charge it and then start the test. And there it is charging. It is near fully charged, so let's wait and then start the test. On a white, blue, dark color, transparent water tank, metal and plastic. It doesn't work when it's charging. I really like how easy it is to handle, the built-in spray function, and how quickly you can clean different floor surfaces with minimal effort. If you're still lugging a heavy bucket of water around your house, this is going to feel like a massive upgrade. It's all about the grab and go convenience, because it's cordless and has that built-in spray. You can tackle a kitchen spill or a muddy hallway in seconds. The vibrating head does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to put your back into scrubbing. It's a simple, effective tool that makes a boring chore feel a lot faster. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more home appliance reviews and practical cleaning tools. Thanks for watching, keep your home sparkling clean, and I'll see you in the next one.